Very well, and away from sports, back to impeachment, but a different impeachment this time around, and that is the impeachment of Meru Governor Kawira Mwangaza. Remember that she has a case in courts, and now we are joined by court reporter Ruth Wamboi to give us a feel of exactly what has been transpiring, especially in that morning session. Over to you, Ruth.
We are coming to you live from Milimani Locus, whereby we understand this is a very crucial day for this country, whereby we understand there are two very crucial impeachment motions. We have the second in command for this country, which the fate remains now with the National Assembly, whereby they are supposed to debate about the DP Rigathi Gachagwa's impeachment motion. And here at the course, we are also closely following up on the impeachment of Meru Governor Kawira Mwangaza. You remember that this impeachment motion for the governor, since it came to court, it has been virtual. But the last time it was virtual, there was some misbehavior that made the court to make a decision that henceforth this matter will not be held virtually, but actually now from henceforth it will be on a physical court. And today is the first day that we're having this impeachment motion being held in a physical court here at Milimani High Court by Justice Bahati Mwamuye. So just to get a close brief of what has transpired today, where both parties, from both from the National Assembly and from the Governor Kawira Mwangaza's defense team, have been presenting before the court so that it can make an informed decision at the end of it. I have the lead counsel for the governor, Elias Mutuma, who will tell us what has transpired and what they have put up as a defense to ensure that Governor Kawira Mwangaza is not impeached. Welcome, Elias Mutuma, to our lunchtime live bulletin. Can you tell us what are some of the defense that you have put across during the submissions?
Thank you very much. I do not want to wish to go into the merits of the case. What I can confirm is that you remember that on 21st of August, after the Senate confirmed the impeachment of Kawira Mwangaza, the governor of Meru, we rushed to court and obtained conservatory orders, and Justice Bahati Mwamuye granted us conservatory orders pending the hearing and termination of the application. We have been appearing before the judge, like you've rightly put, for mentions and for directions, and he directed that we appear today physically in court for highlighting of our submissions. So both sides have highlighted. We went first, citing reasons and legal grounds why the conservatory orders should remain, and we have done exactly that. The Senate and some other interested party were also joined, and they have been able to also put up a defense telling court why we should not have the conservatory orders. So I do not want to go to the merits of the case, like I said, because they are pending a determination. What I can confirm is that we will now appear again on Tuesday next week, when the court will give us a ruling date for the purpose of establishing whether the conservatory orders will confirmed or discharged. But we are very hopeful that the conservatory orders will be maintained in favor of the governor of Meru County. Yes.
Just before I let you go, counsel, there is this thing that was raised that the county assembly of Meru was not involved, and the Senate, which are crucial in this case. What do you have to say about that in this case?
We have again made a proper response to that issue. In our view, we did not consider that County Assembly of Meru was a necessary party in these proceedings, because they had discharged their mandates. In law, we call them functors officio. So they were not in any way involved in the subsequent processes, and therefore that's why we left them out. But again, like I said, that's an issue that the court will make a determination on. We have sufficiently made a response to that issue, and we hope that the court will uphold our submissions. Thank you.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
day. As you have heard, Ben Troinjue, that's what has transpired here. As you hear from Counsel Elias Mutuma for the County Assembly of Meru, it's defunct us for that purpose, so they should not be enjoined in this case. But now, that's a thing that the court will determine when it will be giving its ruling on Tuesday. So it's a wait and see situation to see what the court will rule about that, because that question was raised when the court was going on. So it's a wait and see situation. We'll wait to see on Tuesday whether the court will rule whether not enjoining them was actually in order or not in order. Back to you, Ben Troinjue. We'll file a detailed coverage in our subsequent bulletin.
Thank you, Amboi, live from the Milimani Law Court there. And in that case that is pitting Kawira Mwangaza and her impeachment is that the County Assembly said that it has not been enjoined, and that ruling is expected on Tuesday. And